Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque, full breakup announcement, narito at alimin natin ang buong detalye. Matapos ang haka-haka na hiwalay na ang Bea Dom, ay kinumpirma na ni Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque na tinapos na nila ang kanilang relasyon. Sa Instagram nga ni Bea at Dominic ay inanunsyo nila ang kanilang paghihiwalay. Ayon sa kanilang joint statement, "After much thought, consideration, and care, we have mutually decided to amicably end our engagement. It was not an easy decision. We wanted to have more time to carefully deliberate and pray about it. But there have been many speculation, questions, and insults. Unfortunately, some even confirmed our breakup without our consent, and some created ridiculous stories that had no basis and were utterly false. So we felt that need to share this announcement with great sadness for our peace of mind and our families. Please understand that this is an extremely painful yet united decision, and we sincerely request for everyone to kindly spare us from more cruel and very hurtful words thrown on social media. We kindly request to give us the privacy we need as we navigate our future lives with respect, kindness, compassion, and dignity. Thank you for your understanding and support." Samantala, agad na nahulaan ng netizens ang pinaparinggan ni Bea Alonzo at Dominic Roque hinggil sa taong nag-anunsyo ng kanilang breakup kahit wala nilang pahintulot ito. At ito nga ay si OG Diaz. Hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat na si OG Diaz ang unang naglabas ng balita na hiwalay na ang Bea Dom. Gayunpaman, wala pang tugon si OG Diaz hinggil sa statement ng dalawa. Maging ang mga kasama sa vlog ni OG Diaz ay tahimik pa sa usaping ito.